இதுக்கு தான் ஊருக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆளினார் அழகராஜா தேவைங்கிறது.
This is a review of ibell hand mixer model ibell HM 390L. This is a 200 watt hand blender which is very useful when you're making cakes or cookies and things like that. You can also smash up your dals or your spinach nicely. It has come in a very good packing. I had purchased this through Flipkart. Everything is individually and neatly packed. These are the stirrers. They seem very heavy. Then this must be the stand. You get a stand with this model in which you can keep your blender in along with the stirrers. I shall take out all the plastic packing and then set them up. We will see how it looks. This is looking very nice. The quality is very good. These whippers are quite heavy and solid. The stand is very elegant. The main machine, the plastic is of good quality. It feels heavy, it's not light. You have 5 different speeds, the knobs are there. There is an exhaust fan outlet. You can see the quality control checks, and it is 200 watts and all other details are given there. Very good premium finish. I got this at a very competitive price. The cord is also very neat. I think it is about a meter, quite sufficient. Here we have the manuals, the guarantee and warranty cards which comes along with this. You have a 6-month extended warranty and free plastic designers for the cake outer sides, and medium size spatula and a brush comes along with this. That's a better bargain. This is how it looks. Very compact, very elegant, neat. You can keep it on your kitchen. It will take very less space. This is the user manual. Just want to go through it and see what all things are there. You have all the basic descriptions, how to run the machine. The different parts of the machines are also neatly labeled. How to get the whole thing started. All the do's and don'ts are also there. They also have different speed capacity are also mentioned. So warranty cards, and this is the additional warranty which you have to send. You have to scan the reviews, take a screenshot and post it into that WhatsApp number there, so you will get an additional warranty. Okay, let's go and try and test the machine. I got it all set up. All the 5 speeds are working. It feels very comfortable in your hand. The grip, everything is looking good. It will be a very convenient tool in the kitchen. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.